Today, Cape Town's District 6 is mostly wasteland, but it used to be home to a vibrant community which was brutally displaced by South Africa's apartheid regime. The residents were mainly mixed race, but in the 1960s the area was designated as whites only, and thousands of people were forcibly removed and their homes destroyed.
They have roots here, but in a matter of minutes their homes were destroyed. These are Israeli citizens of Palestinian origin known as Bedouin.
This is demolition, killing and displacement and destruction. We saw everything criminal today. They just want the land. They want to establish a Jewish town on our rubble.